everyone, welcome to another class of Art is Your Destiny. Today we're going to be drawing a cupcake. So let's get started. First we're going to be drawing an oval shape for the eye. Perfect. Let's draw another oval shape beside that. Now we're going to be drawing two circles in each oval. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now we're going to be drawing a curve. Like this. Perfect. We're now going to color in this part but not small circles. Let's do the same thing with the other eye. Perfect. Now, this is optional. If your cupcake is going to be a boy, don't add eyelashes. If your cupcake is a girl, add eyelashes. Mine is a girl, so I'm going to add eyelashes. On the side like this. Now we're going to be drawing a smiley face in between the two eyes and down, like here. About here. Now we're going to add two cheeks. Perfect. Now let's draw the frosting on the bottom. Perfect. Now what we're going to be doing is make a curve like that. Let's erase that. Perfect. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be erasing the top at the top in between the two eyes. We'll erase that. And let's draw the strawberry. If you need to erase a little bit more, make like a triangle shape, like that, but just with curved edges. Now what we're going to be doing is add some spiky stuff for the leaves. And let's add some seeds. Boop, boop. Perfect. Now let's add some pieces of chocolate on the sides. So now we're gonna erase this here beside strawberry and erase another one beside. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding squares inside each of those bars. Like this. I'm going to do the same with the other. Like this. Perfect. Now what we're going to be doing is, what are we missing? Well, we're missing the bottom of the cupcake, like this. So we're going to be drawing with just two diagonal lines, kind of wavy, at the bottom, like that. Perfect. Now we're going to add, let's see, about 4 lines in this, like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Now what we're going to be doing is, let's start tracing. I'm going to use a Sharpie right here. Let's start coloring. I'm going to be using the color yellow and color the bottom. I'm going to be using oil pastels. You can use crayons, but I'm just using oil pastels just to let you know. You can also use markers for this. What you're going to do is if you're using oil pastels, don't use your hand and just wipe away the extra things when you use the oil pastels. Just blow it, or else it'll mess your drawing, and you don't want that to happen. My frosting is going to be the color pink, so that's why I have a pink oil pastel right here. And now I'm going to color it. This is going to take a while, but don't rush. So if I'm coloring anything big or something inside, like the eyes, the chocolate with just a little bit inside, the cheeks, the mouth, and even the strawberry even. So what I like doing is I like to outline it first. That's a trick. It's a really good trick I learned from my art teacher. Like this. Now what you want to do is just do it like this. Even with these little parts here, which makes it look really 3D. I love doing this, because this is a technique to keep your art really neat. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye! Have a great time!